नमस्कार, लाइव इंडिया न्यूज़ 24 में आपका स्वागत है। मैं हूं मानवेंद्र और हमारे साथ हैं डॉक्टर जसवीर चटवाल सर। आइए जानते हैं जिस प्रकार से ये NIER के इस 10वें साल के कार्यक्रम में हैं, क्या कुछ सोचते हैं। सर, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है।
Good evening, sir. I'm so grateful to the National Institute of Education and Research for inviting me today here and presenting me with the Best CEO Award. I think this is a wonderful step which the National Institute of Education and Research has taken, and they are celebrating their 10th anniversary. I once again congratulate them. I, being a Group CEO of NK Super Speciality Hospital in Delhi, I am representing my hospital as the Group CEO of the hospital. And I really appreciate the organization to organize such awards for such professionals. It motivates the professionals, and I think it is really a driving force for the professionals to be good and come up to the expectation of the all society. And once again, thank you so much for presenting the award for this. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
आपके खास तौर से हॉस्पिटल कितने हैं हॉस्पिटल है आपके?
Sir, I'm a group CEO of NK Super Speciality Hospital, and we have 2 hospitals in Delhi at the present, and the third project is coming up. One hospital is 150 bedded, that is located in NK's Hospital Gulabi Bagh. That's in North Delhi. And the second hospital we've recently inaugurated is in Pritampura. That's a 50 bedded hospital. So we are into the chain of super speciality hospitals, and that's it. Thank you, sir.
खास तौर से क्या कुछ मैसेज देंगे आम आदमियों को कि NIER से जुड़े?
For the general public, I think this is the best platform for all the professionals and upcoming entrepreneurs, especially the professional category. I would say this is the best platform for the professionals to come forward and get motivated, and they are being recognized for their good work, and I think this is a very good step which is taken by the National Institute, and they should keep up in coming future. Thank you so much.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। जी दोस्तों, तो ये थे हमारे साथ डॉक्टर चटवाल सर, जिन्होंने इस खास तौर से कहा कि 10 साल जिस प्रकार से काम किया है वो अति महत्वपूर्ण है और ऐसे ही आगे बढ़ते रहना चाहिए। प्रकाश साथ मानवेंद्र, नमस्कार।
देश विदेश की ताज़ा तरीन खबरों से अपडेट रहने के लिए आप हमारे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही बेल आइकन को भी ज़रूर दबाएं ताकि सभी खबरों से आप और आपके जानने वाले रह सके अपडेट।